What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to solve quadratic equations in factored form using quadratic formula or quadratic equation. First example, I have x times x plus 6 plus 4 equals to 0. First thing, I need to expand this expression. X times x, x squared, x times 6, 6x plus 4. So a is 1, b is 6, c is 4. So that will be x1 and x2 negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. So that makes it negative b is negative 6. 6 squared 36 minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1 or 2. And then we have negative 6 plus minus 36 minus 16 is going to be 20 divided by 2. 20 is square root of 20 is going to be square root of 4 times square root of 5, and square root of 4 is 2. So it's going to be negative 6 plus minus 2 root 5 divided by 2. And when we simplify it, it's going to be negative 3 plus minus root 5. Next example. I have y times y plus 2 minus 5 equals to 0. Answer here is, I need to distribute this one, y times y, y squared, y times 2, 2y minus 5 equals to 0. A is 1, the coefficient of y squared. B is the coefficient of y, which is 2. And c is this one, which is negative 5. So y1 and y2 will be negative 2 plus minus b squared 4 minus 4 ac divided by 2 times a, which is 2. So 4 times negative 5, that's 20 plus 4, 24 divided by 2. 24 is 4 times 6. Square root of 4 is 2, so it's going to be 2 root 6 divided by 2. Negative 1 plus minus square root of 6. Next example, I have m times 3m minus 1 minus 2 equals to 0. Answer here, I expand it first. M times 3m, 3m squared. M times negative 1, negative m minus 2. So a is 3, b is negative 1, c is negative 2. So that will make it negative b, which is positive 1, plus minus b squared 1 minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. 8, 24. It's going to be 1 plus 24, which is 25 over 2 times 3, 6. So we have 1 plus minus 5 divided by 6. So that will be 6 over 6, which is 1, or 1 minus 5, which is negative 4, divided by 6 is going to be negative 4 over 6, or negative 2 over 3. So these are the answers. So it will be m1 equals to 1, m2 equals to negative 2 over 3. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it interesting and useful, please like this video. You can also subscribe this channel to find out lots of other videos and playlists regarding math and different topics in science. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.